In this video, I'll show you how to reset your Galaxy Watch. The steps I'll show are the same for all Galaxy Watches, be it 7, 8, Classic or Ultra. For the demonstration, I'll be using the Galaxy Watch 8 Classic. So, there are two ways to factory reset your Galaxy Watch. You can do it with your connected smartphone or you can do it from the watch itself. First, I'll show you how to do it from the phone. So, open the wearable app on the connected smartphone. Go to Watch Settings, scroll all the way down and select About Watch. Here, you'll find the Reset option at the bottom. Tap on the Reset option. Since I have set up an eSIM on the watch, I can choose whether to keep or remove the watch plan. I'll select Remove All Watch Plans, then tap on Next. Now, it shows another prompt for confirmation. Check the I understand box and tap on Reset. Now simply select this reset button to successfully reset your Galaxy Watch. But I'm not gonna press it because now I'll show you how to reset your Samsung Galaxy Watch without the phone. So, on your Galaxy Watch, simply swipe up on the home screen and go to Watch Settings. The steps are similar to the wearable app. Scroll all the way down and open About Watch. At the bottom, you'll find the Reset option, the same as the wearable app. Tap on the Reset button. Tap on Reset again to confirm. From here, you can select whether you want to back up your data. Tap on Allow or Deny. Now you can tap on Continue to proceed with the backup or press Reset to reset the watch. And there you have it. The Galaxy Watch is now resetting. Wait for a couple of minutes. And as you can see, the Galaxy Watch is now back to factory settings. In the wearable app, it shows your watch isn't connected to your phone. And that's it for this one. If you found this video helpful, then leave a like and subscribe to Wearholic for more wearable content. I'll see you in the next one.